Hi everybody, my name is Joyjah and I'm so honored to be here on OLAPLEX channel sharing my curly hair routine. Of course, all the products that I'm using is from OLAPLEX and I'm gonna show you how I get my hair. So if you wanna see me get my hair from this to this, keep on watching. The very first product I'm using is OLAPLEX Hair Perfector. This is number 3. You're going to use this right before you shampoo your hair and I will leave it in for approximately 10 minutes. You can leave it in longer if desired. Right here, I'm using a spray bottle to wet my hair a little bit because you're going to want to apply the hair protector onto damp hair. Also, the amazing thing about OLAPLEX products is that all of them are concentrated, so you just need a little bit and it will go a long way. I'm using this much. I like to do this before shampooing because it's going to repair, strengthen, and also repair the bun so that the curl definition could return. I have some heat damage that I'm struggling with, so it's very important to me that I incorporate the number 3 hair protector before I shampoo my hair. So I like to roll up my hair into a low bun like this and I'm going to leave it in for 10 minutes. You can do longer if you want to. Now I'm going to shampoo my hair and I'm using number 4. This is the Bond Maintaining Shampoo. So I'm just using a little bit because again, all these products are very concentrated and my palms is going to amplify the product before I apply it to my hair. I love this shampoo. This is by far like the best shampoo, especially because it's formulated with OLAPLEX bond building chemistry to repair, restore, and also hydrate your hair. So you're getting all those amazing benefits. It also reduces breakage and frizz for strong, healthier hair. Up next, I'm using the Intense Moisture Mask. This is number 8. I love using this instead of a regular conditioner because there's so many amazing benefits. I'm going to start with 3 pumps and then apply more if needed. It's going to give you 2 times the amount of shine, 4 times the amount of moisture, and 6 times smoother hair with so much body. It's also very different from other masks because it's highly concentrated and it absorbs fully into your hair. It's so amazing to use this. And once again, I'm pulling my hair up into a little bun and I'm going to leave this in for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. I just applied a little bit of water to my hair and now using my wide tooth comb, I'm going to detangle my hair, starting from my ends and then working my way up to my roots. I could already feel how much smoother and moisturized my hair is, and that's because I use the Intense Moisture Mask by OLAPLEX. Alright, my hair is now fully detangled and that's it for my in-shower routine. My next step is to just rinse this out and I'll be back to show you guys my styling routine. I'm back! My hair feels so amazing. All the tangles are out. It's definitely much more smoother. I can feel that it's moisturized from the Intense Moisture Mask. And now of course we're going to do styling and I'm using number 6. This is the Bond Smoother. And as always, you only use a little bit because this product is concentrate and a tiny bit will take you a long way. So I'm just going to put this all over my hair. It's amazing for every single hair type, including hair that's colored. And I like to go in and just make sure that every single strand is coated with some of this magical cream. There we go. And this is going to strengthen, hydrate, and also moisturize my hair. It also speeds up my diffusing process as well. Usually it would take me approximately 30 minutes to diffuse my hair, and whenever I use this, it only takes 20 minutes. Sweet, the curls are curling. Also, this is an amazing style tip. You always want to apply your products in section. So I like to split my hair in half. Sometimes I even do 4 parts just to make sure that all the product glides on. Oh my gosh, you guys, just look how beautiful my hair looks. Like, not only is it defined, but it's so moisturized and my hair just feels so soft. It's also shiny. Come on, when I tell you OLAPLEX, this routine is so amazing. I love it. My curls are thriving. I mean, look at this. This is the end of my 4-step curly hair routine with OLAPLEX. I first started off with the reparative treatment, and then I went into my shampoo, and then I went to the intense moisture mask, and then lastly I used the bond smoother, and my hair looks so amazing. You wouldn't even think that I have heat damage, but also I've been using these products for a really long time. My hair has definitely come a long way to get back to healthy, moisturized, shiny curls. So pretty! Listen, curly girls are always excited when you know you've mastered your curly hair routine, and I've definitely mastered my curly hair routine. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, OLAPLEX, for incorporating me into this. Bye! My hair looks so pretty. Come through, OLAPLEX!